Cali. The name rolls off the tongue like a sultry salsa rhythm. This Colombian city pulsates with life, a vibrant tapestry of music, dance, and flavors. Forget the tourist traps and pre-packaged experiences. Cali is raw, authentic, and ready to sweep you off your feet. From the moment you arrive, you'll feel the energy. It's in the air, in the streets, in the smiles of the locals. This isn't a city you just visit, it's a city you feel, deep in your soul. Cali is a city of contrasts. Modern skyscrapers rise against a backdrop of lush green mountains. The rhythm of salsa spills out from every doorway, blending with the sounds of street vendors and laughter. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. Forget everything you think you know about travel. Cali is a different beast, a city that defies expectations and embraces spontaneity. Are you ready to experience the real Colombia? Let's go. In Cali, salsa isn't just a dance, it's a way of life. It's the rhythm of the city, the pulse that runs through its veins. Step into any salsa club and you'll be swept away by the energy. Couples move together with a passion and precision that's mesmerizing. The music is fast, furious, and intoxicating. Even if you've never danced salsa before, don't be afraid to jump in. The locals are incredibly welcoming and always happy to teach. You'll be surprised how quickly you pick it up, the steps flowing naturally as the music takes over. There's a saying in Cali, if you can walk, you can salsa. And it's true, salsa is for everyone here regardless of age, experience, or background. It's a celebration of life, of movement, of pure unadulterated joy. Colombian cuisine is a melting pot of flavors, and Cali is no exception. From hearty street food to gourmet restaurants, this city will tantalize your taste buds. Start your day with a traditional breakfast of arepa, thick corn cakes often served with cheese, eggs, or chorizo. For lunch, dive into a steaming bowl of sancocho, a hearty stew packed with meat, vegetables, and plantains. No trip to Cali is complete without trying the bandeja paisa. This massive platter is a feast for the senses, featuring rice, beans, ground meat, chorizo, fried egg, avocado, and plantains. Don't forget to indulge in the sweet treats. From obleas, thin wafers filled with dulce de leche, to cholados, shaved ice topped with fruit, condensed milk, and syrups, Cali's desserts are a delightful explosion of flavors. Nestled atop a hill overlooking the city, the Iglesia de San Antonio is a beacon of peace and tranquility. This historic church, with its whitewashed walls and red-tiled roof, offers a glimpse into Cali's colonial past. Built in the 18th century, the church has witnessed the city's transformation over the years. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a sense of serenity. The air is cool and quiet, a welcome respite from the bustling city below. The church's location provides breathtaking panoramic views of Cali. From here you can see the sprawling cityscape, the lush green mountains, and the Rio Cali winding its way through the valley. It's a view that will stay with you long after you leave. Take some time to wander through the surrounding park, a popular spot for locals to relax and enjoy the views. The Iglesia de San Antonio is a reminder of Cali's rich history and a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city. Cristo Rey, guardian of the city. Standing tall on the Cerro de los Cristales, Cristo Rey is one of Cali's most iconic landmarks. This towering statue of Jesus Christ with arms outstretched seems to watch over the city below. The statue is accessible by car or a scenic hike up the mountain. As you ascend, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking views of Cali. The air grows cooler, and the city noises fade away, replaced by the sounds of nature. Reaching the top and standing at the foot of Cristo Rey is an awe-inspiring experience. The statue's sheer size and the panoramic views create a sense of grandeur and peace. Cristo Rey is more than just a statue. It's a symbol of hope, faith, and protection for the people of Cali. Cali's soul, warmth in every corner. What truly sets Cali apart is its people. They are the heart and soul of this city, their warmth and hospitality radiating through every street corner. Caleños, as they're known, have a zest for life that's contagious. They're always happy to help, whether you're lost, looking for a restaurant recommendation, or just want to chat. One evening, while exploring a local market, I got to talking with a woman selling handmade jewelry. She shared stories of her life in Cali, her passion for her craft, and her love for her city. It was a brief encounter, but it left a lasting impression. It's these small interactions, these genuine connections, that make Cali so special. You're not just a tourist here, you're a guest, welcomed with open arms and treated like family. A tapestry of festivals and celebrations. Cali is a city that loves to celebrate, and there's always something happening. From colorful parades to lively street parties, Cali's festivals are a feast for the senses. One of the most famous is the Feria de Cali, a week-long extravaganza of music, dance, and cultural events held every December. The city comes alive with salsa concerts, bullfights, beauty pageants, and street parties that last until dawn. Another must-see is the festival Patronio Alvarez, a celebration of Afro-Colombian music and culture. This festival brings together musicians and dancers from all over Colombia, showcasing the rich diversity of the Pacific Coast region. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, Cali's festivals will leave you breathless. They are a testament to the city's vibrant culture, its infectious energy, and its unwavering spirit. Cali, where history and modernity dance together. Cali is a city of fascinating contrasts, where history and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. Colonial churches stand tall alongside sleek skyscrapers, while traditional markets bustle with activity just steps away from trendy cafes and art galleries. Explore the historic district of San Antonio, with its cobblestone streets, colorful houses, and charming plazas. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleys of the Plaza de Mercado Alameda, a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and smells. For a taste of Cali's modern side, head to the upscale neighborhood of Granada, with its chic boutiques, gourmet restaurants, and trendy bars. Catch a concert or a play at the Teatro Municipal Enrique Buenaventura, a stunning example of Art Deco architecture. Cali is a city that embraces its past while looking to the future. It's this unique blend of old and new that makes it so captivating. The unforgettable spirit of Cali. Cali is more than just a city, it's an experience, a sensory overload, a whirlwind of emotions. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, its rhythm pulsing in your veins, its flavors lingering on your tongue. You'll be captivated by the energy of the salsa clubs, the warmth of the people, the flavors of the cuisine. You'll be inspired by the city's resilience, its ability to embrace change while honoring its past. Cali is a city that gets under your skin, that steals a piece of your heart. It's a city that will challenge you, inspire you, and change you in ways you never thought possible. So what are you waiting for? Book that ticket, pack your bags, and prepare to be swept away by the unforgettable spirit of Cali.